Hi friends, today for science we're going to be creating our very own water cycle. So you're going to need a sandwich Ziploc baggie and a Sharpie. I have mine on a white piece of paper just so that way you can see what I draw on my bag. So once you get your materials, we're going to start by drawing our sun up at the top. We need our sun for the water cycle. And then over here we're going to draw some clouds. Okay. And then down at the bottom of your bag, you're going to draw some water. Maybe there's some waves crashing up. However you want to know that this is water, this is water. It doesn't look super like water, but that's okay. It looks kind of like a two-fin shark. And then coming down from your clouds, we're going to draw rain drops. Okay, so this is what the picture should look like on your bag. And then we're going to label. We have two parts to label. The first part is I'm going to turn my bag, and you want to label this word on the side with your sun. You want to write evaporation. It's kind of hard on a squiggly bag. And then we want to draw some arrows going up, because remember, evaporation is when the water is warming up and it's rising into the sky. Okay, so on this side with the sun, we have evaporation. Then we're going to turn our bag to the other side, the side with the clouds, and we're going to write precipitation. Precipitation. And hopefully I didn't get any. Oh, all right. So precipitation, and again we're going to draw some arrows going down because precipitation is what is coming down from the sky, right? Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put just about an inch of water in your bag. Fill it up just a little bit with water, maybe like an inch or inch and a half. And then you're going to want to close it real tight. You're going to put a piece of tape across the part of the bag that closes, and then hang it on a window that gets sunlight. And watch what happens. It might take a day or maybe the next day before you start seeing some changes. But take a look and see what happens, and we'll talk about it at our group.